Hello guys, welcome in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best website. Just watching advertisement you can earn your cryptocurrency. My name is Mustafa Sahadat. Welcome to Online Millionaires. Okay, let's get started. This is a website link in description. Click the link and come here, just register yourself. I'll show you how to you register. Okay, this is the last deposits from this website. This is the last withdrawal from this website. Okay, and you can just watch the impression, click the total members in this website, and this website is 100% real. 23 site available. Total amount is this much. Okay, more than this much you can earn. Okay, because I have a lot of way you can earn. Okay, first, if you don't have an account, just click sign up and you can make an account. Put your name, email address, okay, and password. Confirm password. Select any country you are from. Okay, and you can be registered very easy. I have account. Just click login. I click remember me, and I put my email address and password, and I click login. Okay, and this is the account. This is the all about things you can make, and this is the all 5 clicks I make, and I earn this much satoshis, and I have this much satoshi. Okay, how it's work? In the top you have view ads. Okay, just click view ads and then you can watch ads. This is very easy. Just watch this much ads and you can earn. Okay, right now is available in here is 30 available watching ads. Active window is 10. Okay, if you watch all active windows you can earn this much. If you all watch this one you can earn 92 satoshis. Okay, just click view. This is very easy. This too is not active. I watched and you can watch this one for 45 seconds. Just click, just come back. Don't close the opening website. Just wait. Okay, fill a capture. The seconds is counting down. Just fill a capture and you can, after that you can claim. Okay, and okay, I fill a capture, then I come back. Okay, you can see I fill a capture, the timer is end, and I click confirm. They pay me that's satoshi I earn. Okay, they send me 60 satoshi. This is right now and you can watch this all windows is very easy. Just click and you can watch. Okay, now I go to dashboard to show you this one has or not, or you can watch in top of this. Yes, I have this much. Okay, I show you the withdrawal. Okay, the withdrawal is very easy. You can just withdraw your funds after reaching the minimum amount this website told us. Okay, the withdrawal minimum amount. Okay, this one is withdrawal sorry correct. Okay, now put your Faucet Pay wallet address. If you have Faucet Pay you can click Bitcoin wallet address. You can click Express Crypto, any currency, any wallet you want you can withdraw. This is the minimum withdrawal you can withdraw. This is very easy. Just come and watch all of advertisement. After 10 days maybe this website pay you your payment and you can receive your payment instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Okay, thanks for watching guys. After reaching a minimum amount I share the withdrawal proof of this website. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.